How to fix Roblox error code 279. Method 1. Temporarily turn Windows Defender Firewall off. Open the Start menu, type in Windows Defender Firewall, and click the result. Click Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Tick the Turn off Windows Defender Firewall checkboxes for both private and public networks. Click OK. Launch Roblox and see if that fixed the error. Method 2. Disable web browser extensions. Disable extensions on Google Chrome. Open the browser. At the top right, click the ellipsis. Go to More Tools. Then, click Extensions. Identify the extension you think is causing the error. Then, click the blue toggle for the extension you wish to disable. Launch Roblox and see if that fixed the error. Disable extensions on Mozilla Firefox. Open the browser. Click the menu button. Click Add-ons. In the Extensions tab, toggle the slider to disable the extension that may be causing the error. Launch Roblox and see if that fixed the error. Disable extensions on Microsoft Edge. Open the browser. At the top right corner of the browser window, click the Settings and More button. Select Extensions. Click the toggle next to the extension to disable it. Launch Roblox and see if that fixed the error. Method 3. Reset TCP/IP. Simultaneously hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. Type in CMD in the Run dialog box and simultaneously hold down Shift plus Control plus Enter keys to open the elevated command prompt. Type in NETSH space winsock space reset in the command prompt and hit Enter. Then type in NETSH space INT space IP space reset and hit Enter. Close the command prompt. Restart your PC. Method 4. Set custom DNS. Right-click the Start menu and click Settings. Click Network and Internet. Select Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Adapter Options. Right-click your network adapter and select Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4 and click Properties. Tick the Use the following DNS server addresses option. In the preferred DNS server, type in 1.1.1.1. In the alternate DNS server, type in 1.0.0.1. Click OK to save settings. Restart your PC for the changes to take effect. Method 5. Reinstall Roblox. Right-click the Start menu button and click Apps and Features. Scroll through the application list and locate Roblox. Select the application, click Uninstall, and click Uninstall again. You might also want to uninstall Roblox Player and Roblox Studio. Click OK when prompted. To download and install Roblox, click the Start menu button, and then type in Microsoft Store. In the Microsoft Store's search box, type in Roblox, and click the result below. Click the Install button, and wait for the game to download and install. Finally, log in with your account and start playing. Thank you for watching.